Welcome, everyone. Good morning. I'm excited to talk with you today about our accounting program. Let's give one more minute to let people to join our information session. Okay, let's get started. So here is the agenda for today. As attending our information session live today, you will receive the discount code for attending information session live today. I will send out the follow-up email by tomorrow. And I will go through accounting program information, including the 2 certificates and the courses included, enrollment options and the pricing, and also how to finance your education. At the end of the information session, there's a Q&A, so feel free to input the question in the Q&A box toward the end of the information session. Just for attending today's information session, you will receive $100 off for your first class with us. And I will be sending out a follow-up email in the next day or so. So please note this offer cannot be combined with any other discounts. Okay. So given our limited time today, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our program structure. You can find a lot of great information on our website. And also encourage you to contact me if you have any specific questions or would like to discuss the best platform for you. And you can see accounting program completing the coursework in both the certificates meets accounting educational requirements to sit for the CPA exam. All the accounting programs, including the 2 accounting programs, are completely online. Each of the course is 4 quarter units of academic credits. Academic credit means that it is transferable. So which means that if you are taking any of our classes, means it is transferable to other institutions. But to confirm whether the specific course can be transferred, you will need to get a confirmation from the intake institution or school as well. And the certificate, you can do individual course or you can do a certificate. You can, based on your, maybe, for example, if you are lacking of some classes toward the CPA exam, check with me, see which class you will need to make up. There are 2 certificates, including accounting principles, 4 courses included, and the accounting specialist, 5 courses included. And we follow quarter system. So which means that each quarter is about 3 months long. And we generally recommend people who are working full-time just take 1 course per quarter. The first certificate we offer is the Principal Certificate Program. So this certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience or little experience, or those who may be working in the field, but who don't have formal or recent coursework. Accounting Principles Certificate offers core coursework, which are similar to an undergraduate manner. You will want to begin with the Principles of Financial Accounting, as this is the prerequisite course for all other courses within the 2 accounting programs. You can see all other courses are offered every other quarter. In the Principal Certificate Program, there are 4 courses, including Principles of Financial Accounting, Intermediate Accounting Part 1, and Intermediate Accounting Part 2. Make sure that you will need to take Intermediate Accounting Part 1 before Intermediate Accounting Part 2, and the Principles of Cost Accounting. For the specialist program, it is designed for those who already have accounting experience and or accounting coursework. For example, if you minored in accounting as an undergraduate study, this would be the right program for you since you already have the core courses. Once again, so the Principles of Financial Accounting is the required prerequisite for all of other courses. But if you believe that you have already taken the similar to our prerequisite class, feel free to email me the transcript. We can do an eligibility review. You can see the specialist certificate program. There are 5 courses in total. auditing individual income taxation, accounting for government and nonprofit organizations. This one is only offered once a year in the summer quarter. Financial statement analysis, ethics in accounting. So you can pursue our certificates in 2 ways. First is at your own pace, which means that you will just need to pay 1 course at a time and enroll in the certificate program, take the course on the schedule that suits you per quarter. And you have 5 years to complete all the 5 courses to claim the certificate. You can pay the tuition as you go, and the certificate registration fee is $125, one time only. There will be some other discounts like early bird enrollment, like transfer 1 class in. Here you can see the summer quarter is from June 26 to September 17. So the classes here we are offering is accounting for governmental and nonprofit organizations. This is from the specialist program. If you want to take this one, make sure that you will need to confirm with me if you meet the prerequisite or not. And intermediate accounting part 1, principles cost accounting, principles of financial accounting. These are 3 principal program courses. The other way is to enroll in the fast track. So fast track means that you are committing to set course plan, which means that you can now change the course plan and you will still required to take 1 course per quarter continuously. And then you will need to just make sure this plan is ready for you since you are committing to the course plan and may incur fees and penalties if you need to make change. All courses must be taken with us and pay for entire program upfront, but you will receive the steepest tuition discount, 15% off, and also the certificate registration fee is waived. Some additional information is that for those who are interested in sitting for the CPA exam, taking all 9 of our courses meets the 36 quarter units requirement, including the ethics in accounting course. So there are also some requirements in order for you to sit for the CPA. I recommend visiting the CPA California Board of Accountancy, the website, to take the review of which other requirements you need to fulfill. And also there are some tax prep service, such as Becker test preparation. To learn more about exactly what's required, we will include these links in the follow-up email as well. Okay, so now let's get into pricing for the program. Textbooks are not included and run about 100 to 200 per course. You can get in cheaper books, go online to do online bookstore. And we recommend that the certificate registration form can be submitted by the time you complete your first class if you enroll at your own pace. If you are interested in pursuing the fast track option, you will need to select that program before you enroll in your first class. As you can see, for accounting principles certificate program, for the fast track bundle, the total tuition is $2,992 in full at the time of enrollment. And you can save $500 to $28 on the cost of program. If you are enrolling in your own pace, take individual course and enroll and pay as you go, the tuition is $880 per course. Total will make up to $3,520. For the accounting specialist certificate program, the cost for the fast track is $3,740, and you can save up to $660. At your own pace, the tuition is the same, $880 per course. Total will be $4,400, and plus $125 certificate registration fee. We have covered the pricing. Now let me talk about how you can finance your education. So if you are interested in exploring funding from private loans or government assistance, such as the VA education benefit or workforce training special funding, you can contact our student services team. And there is finance advisor Suzette Autumn. She is specialized in VA, GI Bill, special funding, workforce training, all these kind of special funding options. Okay, so here we have just launched a free career resources to our students. Once you enroll in our program or the courses, you will have access to our free career development resources. So from here, you can see you can build the leadership skills, you can build your network, you can create your action plan, you can have the assistance for updating your resume. So these are all the benefits you can have from the career services platform. Now you have heard all about our program, so it's time for the Q&A. Please feel free to drop your question into our Q&A box, so I will be answering the questions you have. In the meantime, you can jot down my email and my calendar link, and feel free to schedule one-on-one meeting either through phone call or through Zoom. I can help you with the best course plan, or you want to make sure that you have already taken some accounting related courses, just feel free to send me your transcript. I can forward them to our program manager and instructor for a eligibility review or for the waiver. Yes, CPA requirements are semester units. How is quarter unit translated? It is one point, let me see. I can send you email, so I can convert it to the semester units. 36 quarter units should be converted to 24 semester unit, but make sure to email me. I can give you the correct answer. Thank you. Does the coursework essentially cover the accounting portion of a BA degree? That really depends on the different program from different school. So are you looking for transfer credits, or are you looking for some credits from our certificate program to be transferred to your elective? Please let me know. When does the principal course start? You mean the Principles of Financial Accounting? Principles of Financial Accounting, this is a prerequisite course. It is offered every quarter. So we follow quarter system every year, starting with winter quarter. Winter is from January to March. Following up will be spring. Spring is usually from March to June. And then will be the summer from June to late August. And the last quarter of a year is a fall quarter from September to December. What are the requirements if you want to take certificates for career development, not for transcripts? That really depends. If you don't have any background or experience in accounting, I'd recommend you starting with accounting principles certificate program. That's really prepare you to get into accounting career. And there is no requirement for you to enter into the accounting principle certificate program. It is open enrollment. Is there any discount for being a former UCD graduate? Yes, there is a UC Davis alumni discount. Please check with me. I can give you exact tuition discount rate. Are all courses recorded, or are some live via webinar? No, all the courses are online through the online learning platform Canvas. So there will include like pre-recorded videos, readings. And if you have question, we have instructors available. You can communicate with the instructor through the learning platform as well. There is no live session or live schedule you need to follow, you need to attend. Will the principal certificate be useful to business owners who want a more in-depth understanding of their financials, bookkeeping. That really depends on your situation. If you don't have any coursework experience, academic experience, or work experience in financial related, it can help you a lot for the foundation. From the foundation, I can send you, if you are interested in that, I can send you the syllabus to see the coursework so you can understand what will be included. If you currently work for a nonprofit, no accounting experience, and are looking to gain an understanding of financial accounting in that field, but do not wish to pursue a CPA, which track is preferable, specialist or principal? I'd recommend you starting with the principal. And as you can start with the principal certificate program. And if you feel like you really want to do the specific course related to nonprofit government accounting, once you complete the prerequisite course, you can do that as well. How many courses can be taken each quarter? That really depends on your schedule, because for one course, we'd recommend 9 to 12 hours per week per class you will need to spend. So as if you are working full-time professional, you will need to evaluate how many hours you can spend for the class. If you think one class you can handle well, or you can handle 2 classes, which means that 24 hours per week, you can do that. That really depends on your lifestyle, your time commitment, your time management. What's the best way to finance these classes? Does FAFSA help with these classes? No, we do not offer financial aid, but you can do with a private loan. Or if you are currently unemployed, you can go with your local workforce training agency for an unemployment training fund. Well, how are course exam administered? That will be through the learning platform as well. So there will be assignments, quizzes, homework on a weekly basis. There are weekly due homework assignments as well. Does all the class qualify for CPA exam? Yeah, all the 9 courses are qualified for the CPA accounting educational coursework requirements. But the CPA exam, there are other requirements. For example, there are some business-related courses you need to fulfill. So we are only taking part of the accounting requirements. Are courses taken for a better grade, or can they be taken pass-fail? If you are going to claim the certificate, the class is graded, which means that you will need to have each class have C, grade C, or above. If paid by course, all courses are 880. Each course is 880. Are required textbooks online or physical books? This really depends on some people. They prefer digital copy of the book. So we will give out the textbook information 1 month before the quarter starts. So you can search online. If you prefer, you can find out a digital copy or hard copy. That's up to your own choice. Will this be transferable to other UC and all other program? That depends on which UC and their program. So for all the transfer credits, all determined by the intake institution, intake program, and the school. So which means that you can see our course description from our website, and if you have intention to transfer to other school, I'd recommend you to contact the school and send over our course description to them, see if they accept our credits or not. Do I need to apply and be admitted to UCD before enrolling in classes? What is the process? You don't need to. There's no application required. You can just later on, I will send you the link as well. You can just enroll in the class online, and there's open enrollment for especially for if you are starting with the first prerequisite course. you could just enroll it online, pay the tuition online. You don't need to, there is no application required. I remember for the UC Davis alumni, it should be $100 off. But please make sure to contact me. I will give you accurate information about it. The 125 is only for certificate programs. The 125 is for the certificate, which means that, let's say, for example, if you have completed all the 4 required courses for accounting principle certificate program, and if you want a hard copy certificate, so that is the fee for that. How long is each class? Each class is follow quarter system. So each class is 1 quarter long, which means about 10 to 12 weeks, 3 months. Since classes are not live, do we need a microphone and a camera for our computer? Microphone is not required. It is not live class. There is no live session you need to attend, so it is not required. But the camera is not required as well. Are webcam required for exam? No. Are summer session courses also 10 to 12 weeks long, or are they shorter? Let me, I sent you there's one slide is summer session is from June 26th to September 17th. Let me go ahead to that. See, the summer quarter is from June 26th to September 17th. Almost 3 months. How many weeks are allowed for get refunds if I drop a class? Usually that's within the first 2 weeks after class starts. There will be a refund period, and then less $30 of the processing fee, you can get a refund. Do classes have to be attended at a specific time day? Is it more due at your pace? The class is on a weekly basis, so which means 9 to 12 hours per week. We recommend to spend, including class time, including homework time. There's no specific day or time you need to follow. So which means that once you enroll in the class, you can access to the online learning platform 24 anytime during the day or any day during the week. When is the last day to use $100 discount when enrolling for the course? You mean the enrollment deadline, right? So usually for the class, there's no hard enrollment deadline. You can enroll into the class even on the start of the class, on the day of the start of the class as well. And for the accounting class, we accept enrollment even 1 week after class started. Is there a list of instructors and the background? Yeah, all our instructors are CPAs. You can see the instructors information on the website as well. I can send you as well. What level of difficulty would you give for this course? For a unit class or 3 or more like 5? That really depends on your background. Yeah, so some people, they come to this program with little experience, but they really like a fast learner, quick learner. If you give enough time of the commitment, you can be success with this program. And if you are really dedicated to the program, starting with the principal certificate program, as this program is good for career advancement, for career change, for career starter as well. So it is hard to say how difficulty. That really depends on how dedicated you are. And usually if you are really dedication to the program, to the class, you will be succeed. Yeah, if you have any additional questions, just do not hesitate to contact me. I'm available and my calendar is up to date. You can set up a personal appointment with me, either by phone or by Zoom, so that we can discuss further more about your course plan, your future goal. Do you know if these classes transfer to Sacramento State? I have zero knowledge about it. You will need to check with Sacramento State. Okay, any other questions? Otherwise, just jot down my email and my calendar link. Thank you for your time. Great. Seems that there's no other question, and feel free to jot down my email and my calendar link. And thank you again for attending our information session today. Feel free to reach out to me either by email or schedule a one-on-one meeting so that I can better help you to assist you to achieve your career goal or your academic goal. Thank you all. Have a great day.